Welcome back everyone, this is part 2 of our baby shoe, and today we're gonna improve what we've been discussed in the previous video.
Hi babe, why don't you print Daniel's shoes?
Look what I got. So today we're gonna try to make some better design and of course to improve this flip-flop. So we finally made our work on corrections from the last flip-flop, and now we're going to print it out.
This is what I'm feeling, we're freewheeling. This is what I'm feeling. This is what I'm feeling, we're freewheeling. Take me away to places only we know. Only we go, only we go. Driving away to places only we go. Only we go, driving away.
So unfortunately it seems like we have to stop our printing because of the actual lines that we made and the thickness of the actual flip-flop. It's not that what the actual printer is capable of printing. Oh my god, it's so soft. Even by actually detaching the support, I can actually break the shoe apart. And this time support is way much stronger than previous shoe. That's unfinished shoe. Unfortunately, we have some breakage here while I was detaching the shoe. Here also, this part, it's not so strong. You see, I just literally it's falling apart. It would be walkable. 1 millimeter for the actual thickness of the wall, it's perfect. I think I will flatten more so I print without support. Then we will remove these lines, yeah, and just let's try to do it again. Now we're gonna try one more time without the holes and more flat.
So go swimming to wake me up. I'm floating with no shape, no conscience. I look across the room and see the girl looks like a Greek old-fashioned sculpture.
It's done. Now easily and very carefully I'm gonna detach support. Not like last time. This time I'm gonna do a little bit more carefully. The actual design is pretty much good. It's walkable, pretty soft. So after detaching the support, the shoe looks like that. I can say easily foldable. You can fold it and then it folds automatically. On the leg it will feel okay. In conclusion, we went from this to this. That's the old one, the old shoe, the very first version. I'm trying to bend it and it only bends this much, you know. With this shoe, it's completely opposite. If I bend it, it can bend completely. Like this. And this brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments what other designs would you like to see. And in our next video we're gonna discuss something very interesting.